Alright, still a bit of drama as usual. Just peeling paint, peeling paint, peeling paint. But now this one might be a bit unexpected to some of you. I've made a video about something like this before in the past, and this is actually a pretty new paint job. This is the first paint job on this door. It's a water-based enamel. Looks like semi-gloss to me, and it just, even though it went on straight onto the onto the factory primer, like, you know, you go into Bunnings or whatever hardware store, and you know, you see these sort of green primed doors. So that's the factory primer, and the people who did this paint job went over that factory primer using the top coat directly, and that is not such a good idea, because this is what happens. So I mean, you can just scratch it with your fingernails relatively easily, and over time it will just more and more and more. So, you know, it's best to get it all off and start over. So, you know, what you need to do is, whenever you buy a brand new door, or even you know, window frames or whatever that are factory primed. So, you know, sometimes you have those MDF factory primed or whatever, and then you must use your own primer before using your top coat. Okay, because that factory primer is okay to protect the door from moisture, swelling and whatever, while it's, you know, or either during transport, or, you know, just being in the shop. But it's not good for accepting top coat, right? Because an undercoat or primer has a dual purpose. So one purpose is adhesion. Okay, now this factory primer has good adhesion. It's adhering to the wood. Okay, but the second purpose of an undercoat is to make it able to take the top coat. Okay, so to say. Now this factory primer is not good at that. Okay, so you need to use your own decent quality undercoat primer whenever you paint a new door or whatever, any kind of timber that is factory primed. Okay, all right, hope this helps. Have a good day. Bye.